Hello, ASAP General Contracting. ASAP General Contracting here. We are now starting to apply our rubberized adhesive on this pool. If you've seen the other 3 or 4 videos, this is probably video number 6. And we're in the process now of cutting in some of the roll-in. And this is a rubberized paint. So think of it like shingles. Once you put it on, you put another coat on, and it's almost like a shingle effect, but made out of rubber instead. And it's waterproofs the pool, keeps the water in, keeps the other issues out. Hey, can you go back up top, please? Thank you. Very good. All right. Here we go. Just pause right there for a minute. So we still got to do some caulking. As we were painting, we noticed we needed to do some additional sealing and caulking. So the rubberized compound works better with some type of, like right here, with a silicone-based product, which we'll put on there. We'll put that on first, and then we'll put the rubberized paint on top of that. It's very thick. It's almost as thick as something you put on a roof. But the people at the paint store recommended this product, and like I said, Olympia is probably the best and the most expensive, $126 a gallon for a rubberized tile, you know. And it's a what's called a non-VOC, non-volatile organic compounds. So non-VOC on the can. It's rated for pools. It's actually designed, chemically designed for pools. And what he's doing is cutting in. We're just doing 1 gallon today to see if we like it. We're gonna step back and look at it tomorrow, and if we like it, we'll stay with this color, but it might be a little too light, so we're kind of deciding whether to go with a darker color. On older pools, it's better to go with a darker color because of it tends to show less age on the pool. Kind of tends to do a better job at hiding the imperfections of the pool, whereas the lighter color is going to show up every little problem. But I'll tell you, considering what we started with today, and that's our muck pile, the organic muck pile. And like I said, it's still pumping, but we're almost out of water. We're down to the last 6 or 7 inches of water, and then tomorrow we'll probably start removing the muck pile. So that's what we started with, and that's what we ended with here. All right, thanks for watching our videos. This is ASAP General Contracting, ASAP General Contracting, 904-346-1266, working on a pool in the west side. Again, 904-346, we're doing some floating there to solve a problem. You can see what we had to start with. Trying to give you a different view from this side. And this is the other view. And again, I'm not sure about the color. I'm gonna have to fall in love with the color. I'm not in love with it yet. All right, thank you for watching our videos.